Did you know that monetization on YouTube means the action or process of earning revenue from videos? The videos that you make, of course, and not the ones that are copyrighted. But there are a few steps that you need to follow before you can be eligible for that monetization program. First of all, I will show you my page and I'll take you through what you need to do to be able to get your videos monetized. Hello, this is the Tech Girl 007 here, and I'm here to teach you all you need to know about YouTubing, social media tips and tricks, and don't forget the reviews of the latest and most affordable gadgets to help you create even better videos. So let's get started then. Right, so as promised, this is how my page looks like. It says getting paid, so I'm already getting paid and my setup is complete. I have followed all the eligibility criteria and have fulfilled it, and therefore I'm able to get paid. Right, I'll take you to my other channel now where I'll be showing you guys the eligibilities or the criteria that you need to follow so that you're eligible for this program. So here is the page that you want. Alright, so it says grow with YouTube. As a YouTube partner, you'll be eligible to earn money from your videos. That's great, right? But then where's the catch? Here we go. So first requirement for you guys, which has always been the same, is to have at least 1,000 subscribers. Currently, this channel has 218 subscribers. Last year or the year before, they had announced that you need to have 4,000 watch hours. And currently, this channel has 36 watch hours, as opposed to the 4,000. So obviously you have to have 4,000 watch hours before you can be eligible. Then very recently they had introduced the two-step verification. This is where you actually connect your mobile number with your YouTube account. So you verify it using your mobile number, and then that's pretty easy. You can do this whenever you want. Then last but not least, you've got your strike. So this is when, for example, if you have any copyright strike or anything that doesn't meet the community guidelines, and if you press on here, you'll find out what these are, and obviously you can click on learn more to find out even more information if you would like to do so. So obviously you have to have 0 strikes, you have to have 4,000 watch hours, you have to have 1,000 subscribers, and then two-step verification is just easy to do, which you can even do now. If you want me to show you how to, just comment down below and I'll make a video on that. That should be pretty straightforward. Right, so let's go and I'll show you guys how to actually get notified when you actually meet all these requirements. So now what you can do really is click in here where it says notify me when I'm eligible. So when you click in here, you'll get an email when you actually fulfill these 4 requirements, which I hope it will be soon for you as well. Right, so if you click in here, then it will say that we will send you an email when you're eligible to apply. Now let's go and I'll show you how to get to this page. Right, so to get to that page, you want to go on to here, your icon, and then go to YouTube Studios. And then you go on to Monetization. That's where it is. And then you'll end up on this page if you obviously have met all the criteria, but if not, you'll get to see this page. Alright guys, so I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share it, and I shall see you in another video with any tips and tricks that you could learn, and let's grow together. Take care, bye.